In my view, this vehicle has perfect proportions. Look at the way the cabin sits on this body. Look at the long wheelbase relative to its overhangs. It has a very short front overhang. The rear overhang is just a little bit longer. That's all about getting the balance right. Look at the depth of the body side relative to the glass. This is what gives the vehicle its strength. This is a sporting vehicle and it needs to look athletic and it needs to look capable. So every line is there for a reason. This upper feature line is giving the body side its tension. It's reducing the visual length of the vehicle. And as you move down the side of the vehicle, there's certain features in there that actually break the body side mass. It's got a very powerful stance. Look at what we call the wheel to body relationship. Look at the amount of plan shape on the front here, and look at the beautiful quality detailing. Precision, precision, precision. That's like a luxury watch, and that goes throughout the vehicle. This is a very luxurious vehicle, and that comes from the inside to the outside. Look at this fast screen angle, which is pointed right through deliberately the centre line of the wheel. That gives it this, what we call the paw print. It's like a lion. It's very strong. It gives it that stance. This lower feature line, which takes the eye down, which gives it that grounded effect. And look at the way it sweeps up towards the rear. That gives the vehicle visual motion even when it's static. As you move towards the rear of the vehicle, look at this upper feature line. It's got attitude to it. It's moving up towards the rear, and that gives the vehicle its thrust. As it comes round, you'll notice the amount of plan shape which pulls up, almost like a boat tail effect. This beautiful lamp, again, that is intersecting into that feature to reduce the length of it. And it's high, it's rectilinear, giving it a higher emphasis. That's what gives it its athleticism. It's like an athlete. And as that moves down, look at the amount of plan shape you've got in here. That's a very sophisticated surface. And then this beautiful detailing, very tight lines that talk to its precision. This is a very dramatic vehicle. It has immense road presence, and it's got "Drive Me" written all over it.